Alright guys, it's gonna be a funny one tonight. Because that one is really acting up. She's being real mean because she got her babies. What are you doing? You gonna come up here and get something? Come on and get some cookies. Come on. Go on and get them. Go on. This is the weird. This one's got a real skinny face. Like, this one's weird looking. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. Get you one. Like, this one's got a super skinny face. He's goofy looking. He's definitely. Oh, damn! You mean ass! Oh, shit. What is the reason for that? There was no reason for that shit right there, what you just did. That was uncalled for. With your mean ass. Where'd you go? With your mean ass. Did you see what she just did? Bit the shit out of him. Come on. Go get you some cookies. Mean. She is a rough one. Where's she at? They scared. They ain't scared of shit except for her. Come on. They're being like super mean tonight. That one is really sick with it. Come on. Oh, there's Pinky. Come on. I wonder if Pinky will come up here. Come on. Come on. Pinky's over by the garage door. Come on. With their glowing eyes. Come on up here and get you something. Come on. Come on up here and get you something with your mean ass. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Come get some. Mean asses. Come on. Are you serious right now? Come on. Come over and get you some. Come on with your glowing ass eyes. Get up here. Try to get focus. Come on. Pinky. Come on. Pinky's scared. No, 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 you're not allowed to have that. Come on. Come up here and get the cookies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come get them. Come on, come get the cookies. Come on. Well, we better go take cover. I think Russia is about to get us. Come on, you coming to get the snacks? Come on. They're right here. Go get them. What are you doing, buddy? Come on. What's wrong, y'all? You ain't running to get in your bomb shelter? You know, I shouldn't joke about that shit, because that shit's messed up what that asshole's doing over there to them people. What are you doing, buddy? That's how the volunteer fire department gets called in the little town that's close to where I live. I have one little town that's by me, and they're a volunteer fire department. That's how they get called in. But man, I couldn't imagine hearing that and then worrying about having something fall out of the sky that was gonna blow me to smithereens. That's ridiculous. Ain't no poor people have to live like that. Like somebody needs to shove one of them bombs so far up his ass his mama tastes it. But that's just my opinion. I'm sure it's probably lots of people's opinion though. Come on, you gonna get some? Come on. Get up here and get you some cookies. Come on, you bum. Get up here. What are you doing? Go ahead, get your cookie. What are you doing, buddy? Is that the good one? Is that the good one? Yep, that's a good one. Said at least it ain't raining like it was last night, huh? You guys are dry tonight. Should have seen them last night. They was all look like wet mops. I felt bad for them because it was a cold, nasty, windy rain. Ooh, it was just nasty. Say, but some of y'all's living in my pole building, and some of y'all had some babies in my pole building because I heard them. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Hope everybody's having a decent day or evening wherever you're at. I just got done working 12 hours. But I love my job. I work for the absolute greatest company in the world. You want to get you another cookie? Come on, there's plenty of cookies. You don't need to be licking crumbs. Hey, here. Come on, it's just another raccoon. Come on, get your cookie. Ooh, you lucky you caught that. Got the skills. He's got the skills. Or she. I don't know which. The one up here earlier was a female. But I know I'm not going to make this video longer than 15 minutes. So we got another minute to go about. But anyway, I hope y'all are having a good day or evening, and I appreciate you watching the videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. These guys are my friends. I don't have too many friends. Friends are get you in too much trouble. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? You're not gonna come in here. Say nope. Because they've been trying to come in here lately. But anyway, y'all have a good evening. Be safe out there. Much love.